Welcome to the Continuum. Jason and I are here today to tell you about the dual enrollment programs and courses that are offered through Florence-Darlington Technical College and Francis Marion University. The Continuum is located in downtown Lake City. It's a 46,000 square foot building filled with state-of-the-art technology and equipment. We love taking our future students on tours, and since we can't take you on a tour in person, we're bringing the tour to you. Here at the Continuum, we offer 4 technical programs through Florence-Darlington Technical College, and Industrial Maintenance Technology is the first one we're going to tell you about. We also call it IMT, and if you're good at problem solving, you enjoy working with your hands, and you like a challenge, IMT is the program for you. You'll learn all types of skills that will prepare you to work in large and small businesses, installing, repairing, and maintaining equipment, anything from conveyor belts to hydraulic lifts and even robotic welding arms. IMT workers earn on average $51,000 per year, and there are tons of opportunities to advance very quickly in that career field.
IMT students this year worked on a variety of equipment here at the Continuum. This is a basic industrial electricity trainer that they used. They wired up the PLC, used the push buttons to control the motor down at the bottom. They also used hydraulic and pneumatic trainers. This technology is very important in industrial and manufacturing settings. We opened in August, and since then we've been able to establish partnerships with Marion, with North Industrial Machine, with Moore Farms Botanical Garden, and with the South Carolina Department of Education's bus maintenance shop. Each one of those businesses sought after this specific skill set and this specific program. This skill set is very, very highly sought after.
And speaking of manufacturing, one of the things that you will learn in the IMT program is safety. You will receive a NCCER core certification in safety, and this will teach you how to lock out and tag out your equipment so that you can work on it safely. You'll also learn how to use a variety of power tools, hand tools. You'll learn how to read blueprints and also use the rigging equipment that you see behind me. This allows you to safely lift and install or to repair equipment in a manufacturing setting. And our students really enjoyed that this past year.
3 of our partner high schools participated in this program. Johnsonville High, Carolina Academy, and Lake City High all sent students to this program, and we would love for you to consider participating in it as well. So the next program we want to highlight is our electricity program. When we opened in August, we left one of our workforce development labs empty for a reason. It's because we wanted to tour business and industry around and ask them what their workforce development needs were. When we talked to them, the feedback we got was that they needed an electricity program. So in fall 2020, we will be offering electricity through Florence-Darlington Tech.
In the electricity program, students will learn both residential and commercial applications, how to bend your conduit to go exactly where you need it to, feed in the wires to wire up both switches and receptacles, as well as how those work with the breaker box, and even how to wire specific devices like timers. And we know that this is a need for business and industry, so we hope that you consider it as an option for you. Our next program that we're going to highlight is our welding program. Our welding students learn how to produce structurally sound welds and even put their welds through a bend test, which is exactly what they would go through in a job interview. Our students have employment opportunities in maintenance, construction, fabrication, and other careers. And welding careers are hot. Welders make a median annual salary of over $40,000 per year.
In our first year, we pursued partnerships with Safe Rack and Carbis Solutions. We also had a partnership with Mid-South Metal here in town. Duke Energy and Voltcraft have also reached out to us about potential employment opportunities for our students.
Our state-of-the-art welding lab features extraction arms that lead to a dust collector to keep the environment a lot cleaner. And each booth features a Lincoln Electric multi-function welder that's capable of 3 different processes: arc welding or stick welding, MIG, and TIG.
4 of our partner high schools participated in this program this year: Pamplico High, Lake City High, Carolina Academy, and Tillmansville High. and we would love for you to consider participating in this program as well. The next program we want to highlight is our heating, ventilation, and air conditioning program, better known as HVAC. We had 3 partner high schools participate in this program. Timmonsville High, Lake City High, and Hannah-Pamplico High all had students participating in this program where you learn the basics of HVAC and refrigeration.
Our students learn using these training panels that you see here. This is the basic refrigeration training unit that teaches them about compressors, condensers, evaporators, and how all that works together. They also learn on this heat pump trainer, which teaches them how it heats and cools. And we also have real equipment here, so they learn real world application, plumbing, as well as electrical systems, how it controls all of the equipment. And the students also learn how to braze the copper, which connects all of the units together.
In our first year, we pursued partnerships with McLeod Health and Palmetto Synthetics. We also pursued a partnership with Ideal Comfort Solutions here locally. Students in this class also obtained their EPA certification, which allows them to buy and sell refrigerant.
HVAC technicians make an annual salary of over $47,000 per year, which makes this an excellent opportunity for you to consider.
And the Continuum Florence-Darlington Tech offers several different certification areas. Our most popular is Certified Nursing Assistant, or CNA. We've had 4 cohorts of students come through the Continuum. 3 have successfully completed the program. They have been a mix of traditional adult students and high school students. We've had 3 partner high schools participate in this program: Timmonsville High, Lake City High, and Johnsonville High, and they have all been very successful.
Our CNA students learn a combination of skills, including helping their patients with basic living skills, taking vital signs, as well as safety measures. Our CNA program is a 100-hour program, both lecture and clinical hours. And at the completion of those hours, students are eligible to sit for their CNA examination, which they can take right here at the Continuum, which is a huge advantage. So if you think that you're interested in a healthcare career, CNA program is a great place to start. Marion University offers dual enrollment classes here at the Continuum to area high school students. They focus on 4 major career pathways: pre-engineering, pre-nursing, business and computer science, and education. But if you're undecided on what you want to do after high school, that's okay too, because these are general education courses that apply to any college major. Classes like English, math, science, history, business, art, music, and Spanish.
We're in our computer lab where computer science was taught last semester. Juniors and seniors from all 9 of our partner high schools participated in the dual enrollment program through Marion here at the Continuum. Those partner high schools span all over Florence County. Every public school in Florence County and several private schools in Florence County as well participate. Remember, these are college classes, so they follow a college schedule. The schedule is broken down Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, Thursday. Classes are from 8:30 to 9:45 and 10 to 11:15. This gives students great flexibility for lunch. They can get back to their home campus for lunch, or they can visit one of our local restaurants here in town. It also allows students the opportunity to get back to their home campus for any events they may have that afternoon.
And notice that there's not very many classes on Fridays. Our biology and chemistry labs are the only classes that meet on Fridays, so that's a nice perk. We're excited to offer some new courses for the upcoming school year. Computer programming, engineering graphics, and intro to graphic design will be here in this computer lab, as well as 2 education classes that will allow students to apply to the College of Education as early as their freshman year. You can take up to 4 classes per semester, or just take 1 class. Just look at your schedule and decide whatever fits best for you.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art biology lab, where we teach environmental and human biology. This room is equipped with human and skeletal models, plant models, and electron microscopes. If you are interested in a healthcare or STEM field, this is a good place to start.
I'm here in our chemistry lab. We will be adding Chemistry 101 and 102 in the upcoming school year. Marion University teaches Chemistry 101 and 102 in our state-of-the-art chemistry lab, equipped with 2 chemical hoods, as well as all the glassware and equipment that is needed for a college-level chemistry class. If you're interested in a healthcare field or a STEM career field, chemistry is a great choice for you to consider.
We're sitting in one of our commons areas on some of our soft seating. Students often spend time here in between classes or before classes, spending time with students from other high schools. They take advantage of our charging stations with a lot of their mobile devices.
And behind us is our library, and in there is individual and group study spaces, as well as access to computers and a printer. If you take classes here, you receive $5 of free printing, so make sure you take advantage of that. Continuum students enjoy studying or relaxing in the open atrium seating. Natural light spills in to make these spaces extra inviting. The library provides individual and group study space, as well as computers and a printer for students to use for projects and research. A student break room is available to all students, equipped with drink and vending machines, with snacks and even hot meals. There's also a microwave and refrigerator for student use, giving added options for lunch and snacks. Soft seating is provided in common areas to allow students to collaborate or just relax by themselves. During the school year, these spaces are busy with student activity.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Continuum.
If you have any questions or need more information, visit us on our website or social media, or you can contact counselors or administrators at your high school. You can also contact Celeste Nunn with Florence-Darlington Technical College or Anna Todd, Francis Marion University, and their contact information is below.